Hello boys and girls, my name's Jeff. Today I'm just going to bring you a little tiny video product review on this 12 volt or 24 volt twin USB car charger. The product brand is DIVI, and I chose this particular model because it's either a 4.8 amp or 2 times 2.4. Nice translucent kind of like plastic case, as you can see here, and I'm going to open it and show you what's inside. Back again with the outer wrapper off, you can see the little tiny 12 volt cigarette lighter, little tiny charger. And here it is. I've taken it out of the wrapper. It's got some protective wrapper which I need to take off. Oopsie daisy, but here it is in my hand. Looks really neat. DIVI. And usually these, you get some cigarette lighter adapters, they're very lightweight, but this one, it's quite weighty, and I like that. Weighty equals quality. Well, I hope so. I'm just going to take the wrapper off. Now that it's out of its wrapper, look at it. It's beautiful. I'm going to plug it in. I wonder if there are any lights that come out here. Just hang on a sec. When I plug it in, let's see. Oh, it goes right in. It's like almost flush. Hang on a sec. Oh yes, look at this. A little green, little light. It pushes in, and it's like flush finish. Oh, I like that, so it doesn't stick out like a sore thumb. I really like this feature. Just let me zoom in. Look at that. I'm not going to push it all the way in because I'm going to have to pinch it back out, but you can see what I mean. With some other cigarette adapters, you plug in and it sticks up like an eyesore, but this one, it goes all the way in. Wow, I'm really impressed. Let's zoom out again. Thank you very much for enduring. Well, I started off with a 1 amp, and then I upgraded myself to a 2 point something, and then a 3.4 was it, or something thereabouts. I've since passed that on to my members of my family, and now I'm on this 4.8, and I'm loving it. It feels good. I like the weight. I don't know why it's so heavy, but that can't be bad. Well, that's my little review. I hope this helps you, and see you next time. Thank you.